All right, guys. As you can see, I'm just out here doing a mundane task of topping off my air pressures on our truck here, and found that the right rear outer dually was about 12 pounds low. Of course, these aluminum Ford rims, as most of you probably know, you can see there that rim is all pitted. The clear coat's coming up. Ford has replaced these wheels, I don't know, 3 times. They'll no longer replace them, but the problem is not with the wheel. It's with the different metal stems here. I don't know why it would take. This has been going on for years and years and years with these aluminum wheels. But that's a different story. But you could hear the air compressor cycling. But what's a little bit different is I now have onboard air, and it's a VIAIR compressor. Got the relocation kit put on it and got me an air chuck back here. Come with the kit. Take you up here into the garage, and that way you can kind of get a glimpse of what's in the kit. It does have a half-gallon tank on the top, which kind of gives it a little boost of air. And let me see here. So this is the kit number, 45054. It's a constant duty, 145 psi compressor. And I ran the relocation kit for the air source to the back bumper there, and the part number for that is 9009. I didn't use this bracket, of course, because I ran it through the bumper. So get up underneath the truck here and see if I can show you this without too much shaking from the camera. So I mount it to the frame there. This bracket is also a VIAIR. Part number is, let me see, looks like 95900 is what it looks like. I got a little spray paint on it. I did modify it a little bit to go around this spring hanger. I didn't want to put a bolt in that spring hanger. So just drill out some holes, put some threaded inserts in there, bolted it up. We just went on a 1,100-mile trip, and it done really well. Kind of like the idea of not having to drag that 6-gallon air compressor out. I run the fresh air intake filter up in there. I think you can see it. I got it up out of the way, so it just ain't sucking in water. We did get in a pretty good rainstorm in New York and didn't cause the compressor any issues. Then I run all the wiring up through the engine compartment and went up into my upfitter switches there. I got it on the number 6 switch. So flip that bad boy on, grab the air hose out from underneath the seat, and we're ready to roll. Another thing I like is I when I hooked up to the trailer, I found out that the 25-foot hose that I already have all set up for my pancake compressor, when it's hooked to the truck, I can still get to the back bumper, the quick disconnect for the air line. I can do my air shot or my air springs, and I can get to all the tires on the truck and the RV with the 25-foot hose. So that also makes it pretty nice. So that's my video for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Appreciate you tuning in. And be sure to check us out on our Facebook page as well, S&S RV Adventures. Thanks for watching.